Hello everybody, welcome to Ability Enhancement Course Mastering Office video series. So in this video I'm going to explain about MS Excel. So this is according to the syllabus, this comes under module 2. So in the module 2 I have framed two questions. This is the first question. Let us see the syllabus and we'll proceed according to this. Yes, here is the syllabus Mastering Office. So in the previous video I explained about module 1, that is MS Word. So in this video we are going to see about MS Excel. So in the MS Excel this is the syllabus. So for this syllabus I have made two questions out of this. So here are the questions. You can see here, describe the following Excel features and provide an example how each could be used. For example, first one is entering and editing data in the cells, formatting cells, use formulas and functions, sorting and filtering data, creating and formatting charts. So this is the first question in the Excel, and the second question is this one. So I am preparing two videos. First question, for this question one video I am preparing, for this one another video. You can see the link in the description. So let us see how to do this first question. I'll open the Excel. So once you click on the Excel icon, you will get something like this. So you can select this blank workbook. So this is the Excel workbook. So here you can see the sheets, the different sheets. So initially you will get one sheet. If you want one more sheet, you can add it like this. How many sheets you want, you can add it. And if you don't want, you can right click and delete it. You can rename also those sheets. As of now I'll delete. I'll keep only one sheet. I'll rename this to whatever name, like for example I'll give student data, something like that. So these are the cells. You can see the cells here. Yeah, you can change the height of these cells. You can select, see, if you want to select the entire row, you can select like this, and you can increase the height of the cells, or if you want to increase the width, you can select the columns and you can increase this. Okay, so the rows are represented with numbers 1, 2, 3. The columns are represented with the alphabet ABC. So here, so this is each cell. Here you can enter the data. First question we will see what they ask. So this is the first question. So in this they ask entering and editing data in a cell. So how to enter data in a cell, how to edit it, how to format it, that we will see. First here I'll create one table. Say I'll give a serial number. I will give USN of the student, then name, then for this one I'll take it as marks. For example, assume that 5 subject marks. I can merge like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want to merge, you can select this, and you can see the shortcut here. You can click this merge and make it center. Once you click it, all 5 cells you can merge it. Okay, then I will write total here to find the total marks. Finally I'll write the percentage. I'll write. I will select this. Say I have 10 student. I'll select this. If you want to make apply the table column for this, you can select this and you can go to the borders and you can apply border for all those things. Okay. If you want to add any row, you can right click and you can say insert. When you click on insert, one row will be added. If you want to add in the middle, you can do like that. If you want to add column, you can right click and you can insert. That also you can do it. Now what I'll do is I'll just select this. I'll make it bold. I'll increase the font size to 14. I'll make it a center align. Okay. Now I want the mark here. I'll make a subject 1 marks, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5. I'll make it center, I'll make it bold, I'll make it the size 12. Okay, now I'll merge these two I'll merge. these two will merge, these two will merge. Yeah, that is perfect. So if you want to add background for this, you can select this and you can go to this paint bucket. You can add whichever background you want. I'll add this one. Now if you double click this, it will take the width based on the content. And if you don't want this much, you can select this and you can drag this. Now if you double click, I told already, it will take the size of the content. If you want, you can increase this. Okay, this is one table we have created. Let me save this. I'll give mod2 Excel file. I'll click on save. Now you can enter the data. You can enter just 1 and 2 and you can drag this, select this, and here in the corner you can see this plus symbol. You can drag or double click this, automatically the number will increase. Okay, let me add some views in here. I'll add 1, 2. I'll just select this, I'll double click, it will apply some names. I'll add it. Okay, so here I have added some data. So this is the first question, that is entering data into this and editing the data. If you want to edit, you can select this and you can see here also you can edit it. For example, if you want to change it, you can do something like this. Yeah, so after entering data, we will see the next question, that is formatting cells. So if you want to find how many students are absent for the IA, so that you can check it out, you can select this data, you can select something like this and you can go to the conditional formatting tab. Click on conditional formatting. In this you can see highlight cells rules. Here you can say if you want to find the greater the numbers, less than, in between, or equal to. For example, I am finding here who and all are the absent. So you can click this equal to symbol and you can just type here the alphabet A, or if I use AB, or if you written absent, you have to write this. It will match exactly to that, and you can change the color for that. For example, which one you want, whether you want yellow or pink color, red color you want. You can select something, whichever color you want, and you can click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can see the highlighted thing here. So this cell is highlighted, this cell is highlighted, wherever A is there. For example, if you write A here, this will also get highlighted, because we have given the formulas, we have applied the rules for these many cells. And if you don't want these rules, you can always go to this conditional and clear rules. If you select this clear rule from the selected cells, all the rules will be removed from those cells. So conditional, let it be that absent thing. Yeah, you can click on Control S to save frequently. Now the next is, if you want to find how many student has got 50 out of 50, again you can do this. You can select this and you can go to this highlight. In the highlight you can select equal to, you can type 50 and change the color. I'll make this color as green. Yeah, here 3 student in the 3 subject, they have got 50 out of 50. So this is the formatting cells. Again, so many options are there here. Please go through these options. You want to highlight those who are scored less than minimum marks. I'll select this less than minimum marks. So assume that the minimum marks is 20. I'll just type here 20. Yeah, you have to select the cells where you want to apply this conditional. Go to this less than 20 marks. Highlight the less than 20 marks. Now click on this. Now here one student has scored 15 and 16. Okay, so like that you can apply the conditional formatting. Now next question we will see. So the next question is using formulas and functions. So you can the formulas also can be used. For example, here the total should come, all 5 subject total should come. For that, what you have to do is, so here I want total for this student Rahul. I will select this cell wherever you want to apply, get the value total. You have to select that cell. I'll select this cell. I'll just type equal to. for every formula you have to type equal to. Now I want sum of this. What I can do is, there is a formula called sum. Type sum, open the bracket, and from where to where you want, I want from here. You can select the cell, hold the shift and select the last cell, the range you want to calculate the summation. So I selected this. Now I will close this bracket, hit the enter. It will calculate the sum from this cell to this cell. Okay, now no need to write the formula for all the cell. Just select this, go to the corner and just double click. Whenever you get the plus symbol, just double click this. Automatically the formula will be applicable for all the rows. Make it center line. If you want, you can make it a bold. Now here we got the total. Now in this total, if you want to find the top 2 student, what you have to do is, you can select this again, go to conditional formatting, highlight, or you can say the top 10 item. I want two best student, so I can select this. I've taken 2. You can make it green color. Okay, if you want to find the average, there is a formula called average. Okay, so you select this, I hold shift and select this, close this, hit enter. You will get the average, and select and double click it. It will applicable for everything. Now here you can, in this way you can select the average. Now here you are getting this 20, that fractional part, right, 0.8. If you want to round up or round down, what you can do is, you can use round, round up, open the bracket. Then here you can give comma 0, that means after decimal point we don't want anything. You can click enter. Now you can see it will round up. Now 23.75 is there. No, it will become 24. Here also you can see it will become 40. Here it will become a 38, because we are doing round up. Okay, if you do round down, it will become a 23. Now I'll select this, I'll double click this. Now you can see the effect. We remove the fractional part. So this is how you can add the formulas. There are so many formulas are there, but you can apply. So please explore it. Is sorting and filtering. Now here we will see how to sort and how to filter the data. Now assume that you have sent the Google form and the student has submitted in random order. So for example, you see here USN 1 has submitted first, then 9, then 2, then 55. So you want to sort this. How to do this, we will see it. I'll apply the serial number for everything. So here assume that we have 11 students, and those students, they have entered the data randomly. We wanted to sort it. Yeah, if you want to sort, you can select this, the entire table you have to select. Go to filtering, that is sort and filter, and here you can select sort smallest to largest, or largest to smallest, or custom sort also you can give it if you want to sort according to the USN, or if you want to sort according to mass, according to name. And that time you can go for the custom sort. Here you can select which column you want to sort, based on the which column. For example, A, B. So I will select B because I want to sort based on the USN number. So I will select this B. I will click on OK. Now you can see this, the data is sorted. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all these values are also properly sorted. Okay, for that is the reason you cannot simply select this. If you select this data will remain as it is, and only the USN will change them. So you have to select the entire table. You can select, and you have to apply the sorting. So then here the serial number also changed. So you just type 1, 2, just select these 2 cells, double click, it will automatically increment the serial number for all the cells. Okay, the next one is how to add filtering. So in the college there will be different branches. So different branch student have filled the data. I want to segregate it. So if you go manually, it will take a lot of time. For that there is an option in the Excel called filters. So if you apply filter, you can extract only the CSC student, ISC student, or AML, mechanical. Easily you can apply filter and you can extract the data. Let me show you how to apply filter. Let me add one column to this called branch. Yeah, here I added a column called branch and I added some data. Now I want to select only the CSC student. Assume that you have the huge list. You have 1,000 student list. In the 1,000 student, selecting a few student, it is very tedious job. For that, what you can do is you can apply the filter. Yeah, if you want to apply the filtering, you have to select this. Go to sort. Click on filter. Now you can see this filtering is applied. So click this, so it will show all the different data which is present in this particular column. Now if you want only the CSC student CSC data you want, you can deselect the other thing. You can select only the CSC and click on OK. Now you can see this, you only CSC student data will be fetched. So you can take printout or you can save this. You can do that. Or if you want to remove the filtering, you can go to the sort. You can go to the sort and you can click on filter. The filtering will be removed. This is how you can do it. If you want to hide, for example, if you want to take printout and these marks you don't want to show, you want to show only the total marks, what you can do is you can select this, right click and click on hide columns. So when you click on hide, so it will be hidden. You can take only, you can see only this, and if you take printout also, you will get only this much. If you want to unhide this, if you want again those things, you can right click there, you can click on unhide, you will get that data back. Now let us see the next question. The next question is creating and formatting charts. How to create the charts, how to format the charts. Yeah, so here let me enter some data. Okay, here I have added some data. Say assume that I have some branches and their results I have. For this I want to generate a chart. What you can do is you can just select this data which you want to generate the charts. You can go to insert. So once you click on insert, you can see the chart ribbon here. So here what type of different charts you will get. Pie chart is there, bar chart is there, Gantt chart is there. Whichever chart you want, you can select it. I'll select this chart. You can click this, whichever chart you want. For example, you want this chart, or you can go to the more column chart also. You can go it, you can select here the whichever chart, colorful chart you want, you can select this, and once you click on OK, you will get the chart here. And format design tab also will be open. For that you can change it, the color, the layout, everything. Okay, for example, say you want this. Yeah, I'll select this. Now if I change the value here, for example, I'll make it 98, automatically the chart the figure also will get increased. You can place it wherever you want. You want at the top, you can place it, and you can change the color of it. You can select, you can go to home, you can make it which color you want. Okay, you can do that, and you can give the name also here. Let's say result analysis, something like that. Yeah, so you can save, you can copy this to Word file. So this is how you can generate the chart. For example, you want assume that let me show you the how to generate the pie chart. The same data, select it and go to insert. In the insert, select a pie chart. So this different chart, whatever chart you want, you can select it. Okay, and you can place it wherever you want in the Excel. For example, you want here, then you can select the 3D chart is also there. You can select this, or you want the figure in that, you can select this, and you can change this wherever you want. You can keep, as I told you people, that you can drag and keep it, and you can change the color of it, whichever color you want, and this color you want, and some other This one you can change it whichever color you want. Select it, drag it.